All right, number 14. Use synthetic division to determine the value of k to make the following true. G of x is equal to x to the fourth power minus kx squared minus 2x minus 5, given that g of 2 is equal to -5. Now, what's the big problem here? Well, we have a little k right there. Okay, we have a little k right there. And as I was reading it, I hope as you are reading it, you also realize something peculiar, and that is there is a missing term. Yeah, there's no 0 or there's no x cubed. So your job is to make sure that you see it and you do something about it. Okay, so make sure you do that. And for this question, the previous two questions, what we're trying to do is to make sure that you know how to do synthetic division and also how to interpret synthetic division. Okay, do you know how to interpret synthetic division when we say, oh, g of 2 is equal to -5? And you'd be like, oh, I know what you mean. G of 2, that means you put that 2 right there, okay? You would not put any other number, but you would put 2. And then you put down the coefficient, and you make sure that you put in a 0. Okay, because you spot out the missing term. So this is something that you have to make it intuitive. All right, you know what's the normal? The normal is that things should go in order. Okay, x to the fourth, and then x to the cube, x cubed, x squared, x, and then nothing. So bring down the 1. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 minus k. And then 4 minus k times 2, which is 8 minus 2k. And then you add those two numbers together, you have 6 minus 2k. And then you have 6 times 2, which is 12. And then minus 2k times 2 is minus 4k. And then you subtract them, so you have 7 minus 4k as the remainder. And what do we know about the remainder? It must equal to -5. That's what's given here. So it's very similar to the earlier question. So 7 minus 4k, it's equal to -5. So subtract 7 on both sides. So you have, okay, you have 3 as a result. Okay, so it's the same question as the previous one. I think it was same question as number 12, basically. Yeah. So assuming that you don't know number 12, then you can just do this. Yeah. So making sure that you know how to interpret the notations. That's the main key.